All right, so we're back at action again. We have these spread boxes here. Let's see what they're gonna come up with. So they're gluing them together. Oh, they're adding gold legs. Oh, I love how this looks with the natural wood and the gold. That is so pretty. And this is actually a pretty easy project to replicate. They didn't have to paint it or anything. They just glued it together and made like this cute little side table and put some gold legs on it. I love it. Very nice. Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. So here we have someone with these candle holders. They have some green coloring that they're using here. So they used all the same color, same shade, and it looks like they're just gluing and stacking them together. Now I'm thinking with this, they're probably making like a larger candle holder, but we'll see what she actually ends up coming up with. Yep, that's exactly what she did. So she did two different stacks of the candles, making them different heights. Really cute project idea, nice and simple. All right, so here we have someone, I have no idea what she's making. Looks like she's making an arch, maybe? The doorway? So she's creating more of like that rounded arch aesthetic here. Wow, she made that look so easy. Very nice. Nice, easy upgrade. All right, so moving into the next project, this one involves some clay and a big leaf. Wow, that thing is huge. So it looks like they're doing some type of print here. Oh, that is so pretty. And then placing it over a bowl. Oh, a leaf bowl. Oh, that is gorgeous. I don't really like the color scheme that she has for that, but if this was in gold, I think that would have looked really nice. Or just plain white. I don't know, something about that brown around the edges I'm not really feeling, but I like the concept. I think this is a pretty cool idea. Definitely something different. All right, so we got some wood paneling being added to the wall. Looks like a good way to decorate the corner of your home. I like the fact that they're working together. Oh, and they put shelves on here too. That's nice. Well, this is cute. Actually, I've seen this on Pinterest quite a few times. And they put like a bunch of plants here. So they must be really into plants. Oh, like the little neon sign. Oh, that is so cute. Oh, I love it. Yeah, that is definitely Pinterest inspired. Very cool idea. And then they have one big giant plant at the bottom. They are really into plants. Wow. Yeah, I think maybe that plant in the corner is a little too much at the bottom. They should move that to another area. It's just a little too much plants in like one space. So here we have a wooden beaded lantern design. This is pretty cool. Oh, they used like the little wooden beads from the car. What is this, a car cover? Seat cover? I can't talk today. Okay, so they're taking these beads here. You can buy the beads just like, I think they have them in like Michael's, you know, you just buy like the big thing of beads if you want to do this one yourself. These are like huge beads though. They're like really good quality, it looks like. This is cute. I feel like this would make like a nice little outdoor decor piece. The lanterns, you could do fairy lights. They did a candle and then they also have a stand going here. That is pretty. Why do these nuts or beads look like nuts to me? Like they're just reminding me of walnuts. Okay, so we have a lamp design here. So they're using styrofoam for this. I think I've seen something similar before. Let's see what she does here. Okay, so she's gonna place the clay over the styrofoam. And then she has two bowls. Spray painting them. And then going in with the puck light. Oh, this is cute. This is like another little funky way you can make like your own lamp. Oh, that's a cute little design. Oh, here we have someone else making a lamp. So they're using a gold base for this. I already love it. I'm telling you guys, that obsession with gold is real. Oh, the lampshade made out of wood. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, wow. Very cool. Oh, I love this design. Okay, I like this better than the previous one we saw. I guess because it's gold. I don't know. That is so cute. I like the candle holder too. So cool. Alright, you guys, so I hope you enjoyed checking out all these DIY project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you in the next one.